Hello everyone, welcome back to Slush Code Universal Tutors. This is Common Entrance Maths Lesson 15. Today we are learning how to add decimals. And don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly where every number goes. Let's get started. The most important rule when adding decimals is this. Line up all the decimal points correctly. Once the decimal points are correctly aligned, the numbers can be added just like whole numbers. Let's start with an easy one. So 0.5 plus 0.2 is equal to 0.7. So you see, that one didn't even break a sweat. Let's try something interesting. For example 2, we have 0.5 plus 0.25. Now notice that one number has one decimal place and the other has two. Now we can write 0.5 as 0.50. Remember from the last lesson we had, adding a 0 to the end of a decimal does not change the value of the decimal in any way. Hope you remember that. Now we line up our decimal points and then we work it out. So now we add from the right, just like we add whole numbers. I hope we still remember how to add our whole numbers. Good. We add from the right. Now 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then bring the decimal point straight down. So our answer is 0.75. Simple and short. So can we add a whole number to a decimal? Absolutely. What? Absolutely. So you write 3 as 3.0 is the same thing. 3 is the same thing as 3.0. Then line up the decimal points. 3.0 plus 0.75 gives us 3.75. That's 3.00. You add 20 because the other one had two decimal places, right? So our answer is 3.75. Simple. Let's bring maths into real life. Ada bought 1.5 kilograms or 1.50 kilograms of apples. She bought another 0.75 kilograms. Now the question is, how many kilograms altogether does she have? So after lining up our decimal points, 1.50 plus 0.75 is equal to 2.25. That's after you add from the right, you get 2.25. So Ada has 2.25 kilograms of apples. Wow, that's a lot of apples. I hope she remembers to share. Now it's your turn. What is 2.40 plus 1.35? Don't just guess. Line up those decimal points and work it out. I'm giving you some seconds. Let's check it. 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. Bring the decimal points down. 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 3.75. If you got it right, give yourself a big maths high five. Congratulations. One last one before we go. What is 4.8 plus 2.35? Remember, we can write 4.8 as 4.80. 4.80 plus 2.35 is equal to 7.15. So when you're adding from the right, you have 0 plus 5 gives you 5. 8 plus 3 gives you 11. You write 1, you add the other one to 4. That's 5 plus 2 gives you 7. So 7.15 is our answer. Remember our four important steps. Line up the decimal points, add zeros when necessary, add from right to left, then bring the decimal point straight down, and you're good to go whenever you need to solve these problems. So this is Slush Code Universal Tutors, where we learn, practice, and excel. See you in lesson 16. Bye.